Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
In this video, I will explain how to fix a bad USB device in your Honda Civic. First, let's identify common issues. Often, the problem is a simple connection error or an incompatible file format. We'll walk through easy steps to diagnose and resolve these issues, getting your music or charging back on track quickly. Let's dive in. Start by checking your USB cable for any damage. A faulty cable is a common culprit. Next, confirm your USB device is formatted to FAT32, as many car systems prefer this. If those don't work, try a different USB port or even a different USB drive to see if the problem persists. This helps pinpoint the exact source. Quick recommendation: if you're finding this video helpful, please subscribe and give it a like. And on another note, after all that driving around, your feet deserve the best. Life's too short for cheap socks. Go darn tough with a lifetime warranty. Check the description for the link and other great deals. Now let's get back to the video. Sometimes, a simple system reset can clear up glitches. You can often do a soft reset of your infotainment system by holding down the power button. Also, check if your Honda Civic software needs an update, as outdated firmware can cause issues. Always refer to your owner's manual for precise instructions for your specific model. Carefully inspect the USB port itself for any debris, dust, or bent pins that might obstruct the connection. Also, test your USB device on a computer to ensure it's working properly outside of your car. Finally, if you've recently disconnected or replaced your car battery, this can sometimes affect system settings, requiring a quick reset.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.